Welcome to the chicken run DIY build. Boulder Creek, California, Santa Cruz. Olivia, get over here, Olivia. Oh my gosh, that little girl, babe. Wow. So, this is the permanent chicken coop build, chicken area build. We're bringing the chicken coops over here sometime either today or this week. But Jim is a DIY guy, so he uses anything and everything we have on the property. That actually is gonna be like kind of a foundation, so less mud in the entrance. This is the entrance. Just doing a real quick video. But so let's see, our house is up there, and the catio is right there where that Jim built. It's right there. And the cats are not in the catio, they are out and about because they bug like that. They are buggers. So Jim is, you know, if you watch our previous videos, you'll see that our chickens, our hens are in an area where we just like put it up real quick so we could bring them from the other house to this house. And then in mind we had wanted to build something. So yeah, so the chicken coops are gonna sit here. You know, it's hard to picture it, but yeah, the barn looking chicken coops are gonna sit here, and then Jim makes a hole here, and then they're gonna be able to go and walk. This is all basically wrapped with wire. So yeah, and this is just the first part of it. You know, Jim did the roof, he did everything from scratch. From scratch, how my love?
A lot of scratching.
Yeah, a lot of scratching.
That's what the hens like to say.
Yeah, it's from the hens. So that's just the first phase of it. And again, these cylinders were here, so they're kind of an eyesore, so Jim's using them as the foundation. So then the other, he's going to build one similar, wall that off with wire, and then build another one here. And then you can see that the cylinders keep going down. So then I think this is going to be another run, an area for the chickens to graze on grass, completely covered. And then down here is where we're going to have Roosterville. So so that's just stage one, or phase one. And there's Oliver and Olivia. So I just filled the hummingbird feeders. Red, our rooster, recently was scared silly by a bobcat, so he banged himself up in his enclosure. So we're past that now. We had to tend to him for a while. Blackjack was my rooster. Blackjack had to go to the vet for, you know, he got in a fight with the other rooster, Noah. So it's just been nonstop here. So it's been raining, storming, so we are enjoying this day, getting as much done this weekend as we could, and projects wise. But that looks huge. It looks tall, babe. So that's just the beginning stages of it. I actually got to make an updated video on the catio because we put fake grass in the catio and some more areas where the cats can climb. So anyways, I'll leave this one short, under 5. I cannot wait to plant seeds. We've got compost in the bottom of this one. Jim brought in some logs, you know, some sticks. You can do that. You don't have to fill the whole thing up with dirt and soil. You know, we got the soil here, but he put in heavy logs like this. Well, this is all, so this is, you know, we collect our brown and you know, and then including logs, then you fill it. So that, what you see here looks like garbage. Well, it's actually under here, and so then it's covered with the wood chips. So that's going to bring in the worms, and then I can plant seeds, and things are going to grow easily, more easily. and because you're composting. So you don't have to throw things away. You can make your own little garden, your own little food bin, worm bin. Also, we want to put up gutters so we can collect rainwater, because my girls want to go green. 2025, they're like, Mom, my chickens. Anyways, okay, I'll leave it at that. But DIY, Jim used scraps, anything he could find, and then Home Depot runs to get some wood. But yeah, anything you want to say, my love? Well, this is your 4th one, so you learned a lot of tips.
Yeah, we're getting better all the time.
Yeah, so I told him this is going to be his real retirement job, building catios and chicken runs. But yeah, this is his 4th one. Yeah, so I love you. Yeah, we have fun. And then when the chickens pass away, this can be an indoor garden, or an outdoor garden, and then you can keep it, deer safe. But I personally like the deer, so the deer would be able to come in if they wanted. And he's going to build a gate for that too. So, and then we put cameras, motion lights, so we can see them from the house. So safety first. Oliver, what are you guys doing? Okay, we'll leave it at that.